Okay, so this is the video essay questions for chapter 11. I wrote notes on my phone, so I'm just gonna read off of that. The first question is explain the difference between an EPSP and an IPSP. So an EPSP is excitatory, and then the IPSP is inhibitory. So pretty much what that means is EPSP is depolarizing postsynaptic potential that increases the chance of a depolarization event, and then IPSP is inhibitory, which is hyperpolarizing postsynaptic potential that decreases the chance of a depolarization event. Okay, and then what specifically determines whether an EPSP or IPSP will be generated at the postsynaptic membrane? Okay, sorry, I'm just reading my notes over. I didn't say anything specific. So EPSP, the flow of positively charged ions into postsynaptic cells as a result of opening up sensitive channels. And then for IPSP is the flow of negative ions into the cell or positive ions out of the cell. And the last question is, since at any moment a neuron is likely to have thousands of neurons releasing neurotransmitters at its surface, how is neuron activity to fire or not to fire determined? So this is pretty much an axon, neurons have axon hillock, which keeps a running account of all the signals it receives, and it's received via the temporal and the spatial summation. That's right. So pretty much the axon hillock is responsible for keeping track of what goes in, what goes out, and that is how neurotransmitters and neurons are able to fire or not to fire.